How do you insert a glycerin suppository? I can provide some general information on how to insert a glycerin suppository. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for specific instructions and advice tailored to your situation. They can provide you with accurate guidance. Here are some general steps that may be involved in inserting a glycerin suppository. 1. Read the instructions. Carefully read the packaging and instructions provided with the suppository. Follow any specific guidance or precautions mentioned. 2. Prepare yourself. Before inserting the suppository, make sure your hands are clean and dry. It may also be helpful to relax by lying on your side with one leg bent. 3. Unwrap the suppository. Remove the suppository from its packaging, taking care not to damage or break it. 4. Lubricate, if necessary. If the suppository is not pre-lubricated, you can apply a small amount of water-based lubricant or a water-soluble gel to the tip of the suppository to help with insertion. Consult the instructions to determine if this step is necessary or if a specific lubricant is recommended. 5. Insert the suppository. Gently insert the suppository into the rectum, pointed end first. It's generally recommended to insert it about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, into the rectum, but the exact depth may vary based on the specific instructions provided. 6. Stay in position. Remain lying down for a few minutes to allow the suppository to dissolve and absorb. Follow the instructions to determine how long you should remain in position. 7.